Hey guys, welcome back to a new Python project video. And in today's video is gonna be a little special. Um, I wasn't planning on making this video. I hadn't planned this before, but it's like something that just I stumbled upon, and that is PyJokes. Now, PyJokes is a Python library, right? But the special thing about it is that it's just a bunch of jokes, right? There's nothing else. It's just jokes. So what we can use this library to tell jokes for Python. So that's gonna be cool. So tell jokes, make a new function, and let's make variable jokes, right? So you have to have the joke, right? So PyJokes, calling the library, and then get joke the function. So I have to add brackets. Print here is a good joke. Print. Oh wait, there. And yeah, that is our Python joke telling little thing done. So okay. So since there is nothing really, there's no main loop driving the game, I'm gonna be using the I'm gonna put the if underscore underscore name underscore main underscore for what is running the loop, right? So welcome to the joke generator. Yeah, so let's go down here. Wait, up here then. While true, right? Did I make a spelling mistake? Oh, it's okay. Scared. User underscore input. Now for user input, what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna take input if they actually want to hear a joke or not. Oh my goodness! So we don't just force a bunch of jokes on them. So enter uh, enter yes for joke and Q for Q for quit. Dot lower user underscore input yes or y tell joke else print thanks for playing goodbye and then break because we got break out the loop which will stop the game. Ultimately, yeah, having them also I think else. Yeah, let's just keep this else, right? So else. Nice. Let's get started. Can I make this bigger? Refresh. There we go. Quit. So I want to hear a joke. Yes. Here is a good joke. Later he's talking senior programmer. I am a VIM user. Some developers like to solve problems with no problems handily available. They will create their own. It's not lying though. It's true. Cause they always be complaining for no reason. So, like, bro, if it works, just let it be. If it works, it works. Do not touch the code. No, no. Like I'm already scared of to touch this code, but actually, Q. Okay, it just stops. I don't know what else I was expecting, but yeah. What? Uh, Okay, wait. Um, instead of having else, let's put elif user underscore input if it is equals to q. Then we do this. Else we go ahead and print invalid input. Please enter a valid. I don't know. Please enter yes or q. Now, if I type to be funny, I press E. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so that concludes the mini project 6, and see you guys in the next video. Oh, bye bye.